Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Of habits of a successful beginner band musician, and this is number 94, Dorian Dance. And then we move into Slav with the sostenuto or sustained sound, rhythm chart, and then a couple of extra songs which will lead us up through number 98. So we're getting close to that century mark here. All right, that leads us up to 96. Two, three, four, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, 4. And go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3, 4. 7. This is the story. 2 and 3 and all right, and Calypso. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.